What's going on? Mike here, got another video. Morning YouTube, what's going on? Alright, today is Friday. I have six stops. I have 3 in one house. So that's 3 calls in one house. I'm headed to that first actually. It's a refrigerator, stove, and a dryer. So hopefully I'm going to complete 2 out of the 3. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, I've been getting a lot of easy stuff, or showing you guys a lot of easy stuff, because I feel like that's a lot better. I'm going to move up to the harder stuff, but honestly I haven't gotten a lot of hard stuff. You know, I don't get hard stuff all the time. Sometimes it'll be weeks before I get something that's actually difficult, where I have to get a tech manual or anything like that. That's what I tell people. Once you're in this and you do this for so long, everything seems almost easy. You know what I'm saying? Except for even tub jobs and changing gear cases, and it seems easy. You know what I'm saying? So that just is how it is. Diagnosing is the hardest part of this job. Changing parts is easy. Anybody can change parts, you know? So it's just how fast you can do it and how efficiently you can change that part. But anyway, I'll catch you guys after this first job and let you know what's going on with it. And guys, pretty much this was clogged full of lint. I cleared this out, and this will get the dryer drying a lot better as well. All right, YouTube, man, that job, she didn't have the AC on. Man, it was hot in there. But got all 3 of those jobs done. So the first one was a GE. The issue was it said ice maker not working and leaking water from the door. Got there, as you can see, it was a solenoid issue with the door sticking open, building up frost and not making ice, and pretty much leaking water through the door. So replaced that. The oven, she said it wasn't getting to proper temperature, but I took it apart, tested everything, all the elements, the sensors, everything was good. So I let it heat back up while I was working on the dryer, and it you know, give or take, it was giving me the proper temperature within 5-10 degrees, you know. So reassured her about that. And then the dryer wasn't heating properly, so it's a warranty call. So what I had and did is just change the thermostat, but also checked her vent. And when I checked it, I'm like, this is not enough airflow. Pulled it out, it was a whole caked up lint. So put that back together, she's good to go on that. And now I am on to the next one. Let's see where we're going. Sorry about that. Next call is a dishwasher with a rack and roller. I had a call before this. It was a Kenmore. Well, it said Kenmore. No, when I called him, the brand ended up being some commercial brand out on service. So he's got to call back the warranty company on that. So I am going to a dishwasher with racks and roller issue. So we'll see how it goes. All right, so another easy one. I can't make this up, man. Dishwasher, as you can see, all the wheels fell off all the rack roller adjusters, whatever they want to call them. When I look it up, it says wheel. So yeah, just got to order 4 of those if the warranty company covers it. Sometimes they don't, so we'll see how that goes. If they don't, I'll let her know. Sometimes people pay out of pocket outside of that, but if not, you know, it's not the biggest deal. Dishwasher works fine. It's just, you know, she can't roll it in and out. So I'm headed to this next call. It's a dryer. it's some weird, people put the weirdest explanations on there. It's a dryer not drying, then it says off balance. So I'm like, maybe it's an off balance dryer. I don't know, but yeah, it says, definitely says not drying off balance. So maybe it's not drying evenly. I don't know, but anyway, we'll see what it is when we get there.
Know why it doesn't stop at the wrinkle shield thing?
Well, yeah, that's one of the reasons why, because it keeps on going, because it still thinks that it's wet. All right, so that dryer complaint was not heating properly and off balance. So it was vibrating due to all the lint by the blower fan or the blower wheel. It's just one of those calls where it just needed to be cleaned out. Everything tested good. He was trying to say is what is he trying to say? Something about the timer not stopping, but when I tested it, everything stopped. So another easy call, you know. And the next call I'm going to is the oven. This is a COD. I got to install some doors on the oven. That's pretty much it. So something simple, and then we'll see what it is. All right, guys, let me just show you. These are the oven doors I had to replace, and I'll take a picture of the oven. But this is the oven, and this is the microwave. It came broke, so I had to do it. All right, so as you can see, that was just a normal oven door replacement. I just charged them $200 just to install that real quick. Nothing too hard. It just was a lot of broken glass, and I'm hot because I had to take it apart in the garage so the broken glass wouldn't get inside his house. So whew, headed to the next call, which is a GE fridge, no cool. So let's see what this is. So that's the importance of truck stock. I keep this part on me all the time. You guys see it. This is probably the second video or the second time you guys see me changing this motor. So know your area and know the parts you need. That's pretty much what I gotta say. All right. All right, YouTube. As you can see, that last one was just a fan motor. I walked in and I said, okay, I saw the model and I'm like, a no cool. And she's like, you hear that noise? Once I heard the noise, I'm like, all right, it's the fan. But it wasn't the actual main fan that was making noise. That completely stopped. As I showed you, it wasn't turning properly. But once I hit it, it kicked on, but you can hear all the sound that was coming. So yeah, you know, I'm done for the day. Wasn't a bad day at all. Don't worry, I'll get some hard days for you guys. You're gonna see some hard stuff. But I mean, when you've been doing this so long, man, I'm thankful to have my days all like this, because I make a lot of money. I made a lot of money today. But anyway, guys, I can say, I don't want to be exact, but I can say it was probably like a $1,200–1,500 day today. So that's only today. So yeah, just to give you guys some insight. But yeah, that's about it. I'll catch you guys on the next one.